Hello there, I'm back. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play. So I'm gonna make some spinach, lemon pepper spinach with Parmesan cheese and garlic. Oh, let's try this, okay? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Check out my links below in case you want to donate. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And you are with Grandma Ray Don't Play. Yes, let's do it. Okay, I have a little olive oil in the frying pan, just a little. I'm going to turn my fire down. I don't want it to get too hot. Okay, and I have some baby spinach. Baby spinach, okay. Okay, let's put that in. Okay, I have some lemon pepper. Some salt. Let's put a drop of water in there. Okay, we're going to put about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. Just enough to make steam. Okay. Put a drop of garlic in there. Quarter of a teaspoon. Okay, and I think I want I'm going to put the Parmesan cheese on after I take it out the frying pan, and we're done that fast. I'm going to squeeze out the water. Okay, let me let you see that. You see? Now I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on the top. Look at that. How about that, huh? Okay. And let you see me take a taste. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna try my spinach. You can taste the lemon with the pepper. I think I'll use that more often. And the Parmesan cheese gave it a little, like a little salty type taste. The two together, delicious. Spinach is nice and soft. There we go. Okay guys, that's all I have for you tonight. Check it next time. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Love you, bye.